How to log in Paycom employee account. So log into your Paycom employee account. All you have to do is open your browser, go to paycom.com, and this is the kind of interface that you'll see. From here, what you have to do is basically just click on the login button that you can see. But before you click on login, and when you hover your mouse, you'll find an option that says employee. So since you want to log into your employee account, this is where you have to go. Just go to the login employee section. And when you go to the employee self-service section, over here, all you have to do is enter your username. Once you enter your username, make sure to enter your respective password, the last 4 digits of your social security number or PIN. Then you can just click on the login button, and once you log in, if your details are correct, you'll be successfully logged into your Paycom employee account. If you forgot your username or password, you can go to username or password option and click on the forgot button to reset it. But to give you an idea, this is how you can log into your Paycom employee account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.